In this video we'll show you how to properly clean the iMOW robotic mower. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. Before you start cleaning the mower, activate the device lock. You can do so by pressing the stop button once. Then press the stop button again and keep it pressed until the light strip fully lights up red. Then press stop again. When the light strip flashes a second time, the device lock is enabled. Now the iMOW is locked, you can now clean or service the robotic mower. For optimal cleaning results and to remove persistent stains, we recommend the Care and Clean kit, as it's easy to use and efficient in application. The transport bag of the kits contains STIHL multi-clean in a practical spray bottle, a cleaning brush with a scraper and 2 microfiber cloths. Rest the robotic mower against a stable wall. Remove the blade disc to allow full access for cleaning. First, remove the coarse dirt with a brush. For more persistent residues, you can also use the integrated scraper. Rinse off the dirt with a soft water jet. To prevent any damage to the device, avoid using a high-pressure washer. Finally, remove the loose dirt with a wet microfiber cloth. After cleaning, remount the blade disc on the device. To do so, place the disc and fixing nut on the drive shaft and firmly screw down the fixing nut. If necessary, you can now also clean the entire housing of the robotic mower with STIHL multi-clean and a microfiber cloth.